Tired of confusing tutorials? Welcome to How to Simple Guide to Where. We cut the fluff and show you exactly what to do step by step fast. From tech hacks to everyday fixes, if you want quick answers that actually work, you just found your channel. Hit that subscribe button now so you never waste time figuring things out the hard way again.
All right, let's start with the easiest, most likely way you already have access, right inside WhatsApp. This is where it gets really fun and useful for daily life. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Chats tab. Now, tap the New Chat button in the bottom corner. The Meta AI option, represented by the blue/purple circle icon, should appear at the top of your contacts list.
Tap it.
If prompted, read the terms of service, then tap Accept.
Boom.
You're now in a private one-on-one chat with Meta AI. Think of this as your personal assistant. Type in anything. Need to summarize that massive email chain? Want a dinner recipe with 3 ingredients you have in the fridge? This is your space. Now for the part that solves the group chat panic, inviting Meta AI into your conversations. Imagine not having to leave the app to figure out where to meet up. Open an existing group chat. In the message field, simply type the @ symbol. A list of suggestions will pop up. Select @Meta AI. It's that recognizable blue-purple circle. Now you can type a group prompt like, @Meta AI, summarize the last 50 messages so I can catch up on the party plan. This saves hours of scrolling, you guys. For those of you who want a dedicated, more conversational experience, or if the WhatsApp feature hasn't fully rolled out to you yet, there's the official app. Navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for Meta AI and look for the official app with the blue/purple icon, not a third-party clone. Tap Install or Open. Once in the app, it'll prompt you to log in with your Meta/Facebook account. It's a cleaner interface, perfect for deep work, voice conversations, and keeping your AI chats separate. Here's a bonus that truly taps into the power of AI creativity on your Android. You can generate stunning images right in your chat. Open the Meta AI chat and type @Meta AI/imagine, followed by your description like a photorealistic astronaut riding a unicycle on Mars. Look at that detail. Honestly, having this kind of power, the ability to plan, create, and research without leaving the conversation, it's not just a tech update, it's a massive quality of life upgrade for your phone. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to ask Meta AI? And if this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simplified tech tips. See you in the next one.